Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best science for teens is probably one of the most exciting fields of study for young people, offering a universe of discovery and understanding. In this video, we're diving into the world of science products designed specifically for teens, exploring what makes them stand out and how they can ignite a passion for learning. Get ready to explore some fantastic options that will make science fun and accessible. Number 5. National Geographic Geodes STEM Kit. Unearth amazing crystals. This kit lets you break open rocks and find hidden treasures. It's a fantastic STEM activity, perfect for young explorers. Each geode holds a unique surprise. These geodes are hand-selected to offer a diverse range of crystal formations. You'll be amazed by what you find. These are real specimens, varying in size. Kids will love the excitement of cracking them open to reveal the natural beauty inside. It's a fun and educational experience. Learn all about geodes with the included guide. It explains how these fascinating formations are created. This kit makes science fun and engaging. From Blue Marble, a Toy of the Year winner. This product fosters education and creativity. The company provides US support for a great experience. What we like. This kit lets you discover the hidden beauty within geodes. The variety of crystals ensures an exciting experience every time. If you are looking for a hands-on geology experience, this is a perfect choice. It's a fantastic way to spark curiosity about the natural world. What people say. The kit included everything needed for a fantastic rock-breaking adventure, for rocks to smash and or chisel, clear instructions, protective glasses, and a magnifying glass to examine the treasures within. We were thrilled to discover 3 amazing geodes, each with beautiful, sparkling crystals inside. This geode cracking kit was a fantastic hands-on activity for my kids, and honestly, I enjoyed it just as much. The kit came with several real geodes, safety goggles, and clear instructions. Cracking them open was safe and exciting, and each one revealed a unique and beautiful crystal formation inside. It's both educational and fun, perfect for sparking interest in geology and science. We learned about how geodes form and had some great conversations while exploring each one. Number 4. National Geographic Potato Clock and Flashlight Kit. This amazing kit teaches kids about electricity using everyday items. It includes everything needed to build a potato clock with a voltmeter. It's a fun and educational way to learn about circuits. The kit also includes a penny flashlight experiment. Kids can construct a battery using coins and watch the electric circuit light up. It's a hands-on way to understand how electricity works. These STEM labs provide a fun, hands-on way to learn about electrical engineering. It's a great gift for kids who love to build and explore. They will have a memorable learning experience. Kids will not only build a battery and circuit, but they'll also learn why they work. The detailed learning guide provides fascinating insights into electricity and circuits. It makes learning fun and easy. This product is developed by Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award. They create products that encourage education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team to ensure a great experience. What we like. With this kit, you can build your own potato clock and coin-powered flashlight. It provides a fun, hands-on way to learn about electrical circuits. If you like exploring how things work, this kit is ideal. It's a great way to understand the basics of electricity. What people say. All the items in the kit were excellent and great quality. I was surprised that a really cool educational booklet came with the set, and we learned some really cool facts about non-Newtonian fluid and also learned about how putty came into existence. It was very surprising. It is a good learning tool. Number 3. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit for Kids. This kit lets you grow crystals in 6 vibrant colors: red, green, blue, purple, yellow, and even glow in the dark. It's a fun and colorful way to explore crystal chemistry, and they grow quickly. Growing crystals is easy with the included instructions and silicone growing chambers. The clear crystal seed rocks can be left in, and you can put the grown crystals directly into the display. Show off your crystals on the included light-up display. It's a great way to showcase your creations and add a cool touch to any room. The kit also includes real gemstone specimens and a STEM learning guide. It's a fantastic way to learn about crystal formation and start your own rock collection. This product is from Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy Association's Toy of the Year award. They create products that encourage education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. This kit allows you to grow crystals in 6 different colors and display them with a light-up stand. The crystals grow quickly, making it a rewarding experience. If you want a colorful and visually appealing science project, this is a great option. It's perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your room. What people say. Kit came with everything we needed and the instructions were easy to follow. Loved using this kit because it also leaves your kid with something they can keep. The light-up display is a cool idea and based on other reviews they turned out great. I just had troubles removing the crystals without destroying them. Number 2. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. This amazing kit combines science and magic. It includes over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks. Kids can bend metal with water and make things disappear. Each experiment is designed to be a magic trick. The kit includes a magic wand and white gloves. It's fun and educational for kids. The kit has all the materials for 20 stunning science magic tricks. They can make snow appear and create square bubbles. Use physics and chemistry to amaze. Want more experiments? This kit includes a bonus guide with 85 plus extra experiments. They can be done with common household items. Blue Marble, the maker, won the Toy of the Year award. They create educational and creative products. They also have a US support team. What we like. This kit combines the wonders of science with the excitement of magic, offering over 100 unique experiments. It includes a magic wand and gloves, letting you perform tricks for friends and family. If you enjoy performing and wowing others, this is the perfect kit. It's a fun way to learn about science while putting on a show. What people say. This kit is packed with over 100 unique experiments that have kept her engaged and excited about science. The instructions are clear, colorful, and easy to follow, making it simple for us to dive right into each experiment. The kit offers over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks that kept my kids engaged and excited to learn. Number 1. National Geographic Gross Science Kit. This science kit makes learning fun with experiments like boiling boogers and making glowing worms. It includes everything for 15 gross experiments, and you can do 30 more with household items. The kit comes with kid-friendly instructions and illustrations for each step. It also provides insight into the science behind each experiment. It's an unforgettable educational toy. Inside, there's a bonus booklet with 30 easy experiments using common household items. It's one of the most exciting science kits for kids. While kids are having fun, they'll be learning about polymers, chemical reactions, and more. It's a fantastic STEM set for both boys and girls. This kit is made with high-quality materials and backed by exceptional service. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and they will make it right. What we like. This kit offers 45 gross science experiments, including dissecting a brain and making slime. It provides kid-friendly instructions and fascinating insights into the science at work. If you like the gross and unusual, this is the kit for you. It's a memorable and entertaining way to learn about science. What people say. Tons of activities, kept my kids busy for hours. Instructions are clear and easy for kids to follow. It comes with 45 different experiments, so there's plenty to keep young scientists entertained. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.